Want to become a crypto millionaire. That's what everybody wants, right? Here's what it comes down to. It's not as hard as you think. You have to be smart. You have to be diversified. I'm going to tell you the cryptos that you should own to become a crypto millionaire. But here's the secret sauce and the keys to the kingdom. It's not what you think. How to become a crypto millionaire really comes down to how to become a stock millionaire. It's the same. Buy good coins and good tokens, blue chips. If you want to invest in some outliers, treat them like the lottery and you're probably good. Oh, by the way, lock it up, buy it and lock up the keys and forget about it and look up in 5, 6, 7 years and you will become a millionaire depending upon how much you bought. Maybe 100,000-aire, maybe a 10,000-aire, whatever is relative to how much your cost basis that you're able to put in is. How to become a crypto millionaire comes down to this. Buy the blue chips. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, Polygon Matic. All of these are amazing. Oh, by the way, if you buy them, that makes up a diversification strategy that minimizes your risk and diversifies you. Buy some Shiba Inu. It's the #1 community token there. Buy others that are up and coming, like Clear Cryptos. Links in the description below. Check them out. Fantastic project. And then maybe buy some others like Gala Games that are in my opinion, the #1 gaming play out there. Buy some NFT related underlying tech companies. Maybe buy some Metaverse, Decentraland, other ones like that. And then finally, if you want to go put some money out there on coins, or excuse me, rather tokens that just came out, then do that. But treat it like the lottery. Take $400 or $500 and put $100 down on brand new projects that just launched. And know this, you're probably going to lose out on 90+% of those. But you might hit the lottery on one of them. If you had put $100 down on Shiba Inu right when it first came out, and you still held that now, it'd be worth probably north of $7, $8+ million, if you get my point. But that's it, guys. This is what it comes down to. Getting rich in crypto is not that hard. If you do what I just told you, if you kind of buy it and forget it, literally forget that you bought Bitcoin today. Just put it away for 5, 6, 7 years. And don't let your emotions step in and make you sell out because of volatility. Because volatility is going to be here. It's never going away. Crypto volatility is the name of the game. And don't let your emotions take over and make you sell. Oh my God, Bitcoin just went down to this. If Bitcoin goes down dramatically, buy some more, maybe. Again, not investing advice, do what's right for you. But that's it. That's how to become a crypto millionaire. I just gave you the secret sauce, the steps. And it's not as hard as you think. Everybody makes this so much harder. Everybody's looking for can I become a millionaire tomorrow? And that's not how this works. Can you get lucky on one that just came out? Sure. That's the lottery play I mentioned earlier, but you have to treat it like that. But have this diversified strategy over here as well, where you've owned these blue chips. My opinion. Hopefully you got some value out of this. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button below. By the way, TradeX is the channel partner. Links in the description below. Check them out. Absolutely fantastic DeFi trading app. That's what I got for you. Go make some money. See ya.